If you think finding the perfect tags or the perfect keyword is your first step in creating awesome videos on YouTube, I'm about to change your mind. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 steps to ensure you're creating YouTube videos that are not only amazing, but are also attracting more views and subscribers. Hi, my name is Trina, and I'm a YouTube strategist committed to helping you do YouTube better. We are going to jump right into how to make awesome YouTube videos for beginners, and I want to remind you to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you how you can sign up for a free in-depth training that I have that's going to show you how you can take your YouTube videos to that next level to ensure you're creating videos that are going to get views, subscribers, and more important, leads into your business. So I'm going to tell you how to sign up for that here at the end. All right, the first step in creating videos for the very beginner here on YouTube is to have a strategy. You see, you can't just post one video and then decide what the next video is going to be and then decide what the next video is going to be. You want to think about all of that in advance. Ideally, I would suggest that you think about a 4 to 5 video series that makes sense for somebody to watch video 1, then video 2, then video 3, and so on. Now, each one of these videos obviously needs to stand on their own if they're found in search, but put together, they make this bingeable Netflix-style playlist that makes people want to watch video after video after video. You see, success here on YouTube doesn't revolve around finding the perfect tags and the perfect keywords to rank in search. YouTube is continuing to improve their platform and make YouTube more specific to each individual viewer. In fact, I just had this happen to me recently when I was doing some research for an art client. So I was watching a lot of different art videos and tips on art, and then when I searched YouTube for YouTube tips, you can see that third search result is mural painting tip. They did not have in their keywords or in their tags YouTube tips, but YouTube knew my past watch history was on art videos, and so YouTube started suggesting more art videos they thought that I would like. So even if you have the perfect tags and perfect keywords, that does not ensure that you're going to rank in search on YouTube. But if your videos are causing people to watch another video and extend the viewer's watch time on YouTube, then YouTube's going to recommend more of your content in search and in suggested. All right, so now that you know what your 5 videos are going to be, or you have an idea of what your 5 videos are going to be, I want you to determine the title of these videos. This is going to be your step 2. I want you to know exactly what you're going to title those videos before you start creating any content. You see, the title is the first thing people are going to see in search or suggested along with that thumbnail. And if you can create a title that makes sense when it flows in to the video, people are going to be more likely to watch your video longer. What happens is if you create a video and then you upload it and you're just trying to think of some type of title and slap it on there and go, sometimes it doesn't make sense with the beginning of your video. So by creating a title before you even craft any of your content, you're going to make sure the beginning of your content really ties in to that title to help you improve your audience retention. Again, YouTube wants people to watch more and more content, so if you're getting people to watch to the end of your video, then YouTube's going to recommend more of your content. And usually the most difficult spot to keep people watching is that first 5 to 10 seconds. So I want to make sure your title really ties into the beginning of your video, which leads into step 3 on how to make YouTube videos, and it is to really craft a strong hook at the beginning of your video. A lot of mistakes that I see on YouTube is somebody just opening the video with who they are and why they're so important, or they open with this like this branded intro with music and graphics. But you have 3 to 5 seconds to really grab that person's attention. If you got them to click on that video, you have got to connect with that viewer in that first 3 to 5 seconds. So some ways to do that is to really address the pain point they're having or relate with them in some way. I told you at the beginning of this video, if you think creating videos is revolving around keywords and titles, then this video is probably going to be for you. Because a lot of people think that success here on YouTube is based on SEO and keywords and tags, and it's not. So I was able to grab your attention. When you're creating your content, first of all, think about that title you came up with, and then I want you to think about how can you really grab that viewer's attention? What is that pain point that they're really struggling with that you can tell them you're going to resolve in this video and how you're going to do it in that first 5 to 10 seconds, okay? Now that fourth step to creating videos here on YouTube is I want you to take this training that I'm currently offering for free. It's called How to Create Amazing Video Content in Just 60 Minutes. I'm going to walk you through this 6-step proven process that shows you how you can start creating bingeable Netflix-style videos here on YouTube so that YouTube starts recommending more of your content. Like I said, tags and keywords and SEO isn't what's going to make you successful here on YouTube. It's creating valuable, amazing content that people want to watch, what is going to get you more views, more subscribers, and more leads into your business. This process I'm going to walk you through not only has worked for my business with just around 10,000 subscribers, I make a full-time living in my business based on leads I get from this channel, but also countless clients and students have followed this process and got leads and are creating a business based on the leads they get from here on YouTube. They see their email list growing from leads from YouTube. They see more and more people contacting them who found them on YouTube and want to hire them. All based around this process that I teach in this training, how to create amazing video content in 60 minutes. And yes, I'm going to show you how to create this bingeable content in just 60 minutes because I know you're busy and you can do it in 60 minutes. So the link to sign up for that training is going to be around here. It's going to be in a card or down in the description box. Head over there, enter your name and your email address, and you can pick your time. We have a bunch of different times you can choose from, and make sure you get your action guide so that you can take notes throughout this training. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind whether you're just getting started on YouTube or whether you've been doing YouTube and not seeing results. This training, I'm telling you, is going to be the answer to all the questions and all the prayers you've been looking for. I can't wait to see you over in that training.